How to deactivate Facebook account. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can deactivate Facebook account. Now deactivating your Facebook account is quite simple and easy, so let me guide it through. All you have to do is open up Facebook app and you'll get an interface like this. Now simply tap on the three horizontal line icon at the top right corner of your screen just below the messaging icon here, and then head into settings. Now once in settings, what you want to do is head into the first option, personal and account information, and here you'll be able to find the option account ownership and control. And if you head on to it, open it up and head onto account ownership and control, you'll be able to find the option deactivate account. However, like me, if you don't get the option to deactivate Facebook account through here, what you want to do is head into Play Store and searching for the app Facebook Lite. Simply open it up and download this app Facebook Lite and then log into your account. Now it's totally safe, so you don't need to worry about it. And here you can see I've logged into my account. Once you're logged in, what you want to do is again tap on the three horizontal line icon at the top right corner of your screen and then head into settings here. And on settings, what you want to do is head into first option, personal and account information, and under personal and account information you'll find the fourth option, access and control. Simply tap on access and control and you'll find two different options. Head on to deactivation and deletion. Now if you want to delete account, you can simply tap on delete account, make sure the blue tick is on delete account. However, if you just want to deactivate the account, tap on deactivate account and make sure the blue check mark or the blue tick is on deactivate account, and simply tap on continue and again tap on continue, and here it'll ask you for password, and once you type in your password and tap on continue, your account will be deactivated. So this way you can deactivate your Facebook account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.